Amazon laundry must-haves. Here are some of the best laundry accessories and laundry hacks. This wad-free Wad Preventer keeps your sheets from balling up in the dryer. There's one for flat sheets and there's one for fitted sheets, and it does exactly what it's supposed to do. An Amazon laundry must-have and linked below in my description. A really cool laundry hack and laundry accessory. This makes folding laundry really fast and easy. A laundry must-have linked below. These are clip and drip hangers. They're great for small items. An Amazon must-have laundry accessory. This is a sock dock. It comes in a pack of 2 and will change your life when it comes to doing laundry. I'm not kidding, especially if you have kids. All of these laundry accessories are linked below in my description. And this is a magnetic laundry symbols guide. It is the cool laundry accessory because who can ever remember what those laundry symbols mean? This is an invisible clothesline. It's great for small spaces and it's adjustable. Amazon must-have laundry accessory and linked below. Want to air dry more clothes but don't have the space, or if you don't have time to clip socks one by one on a hanger, this is amazing and it folds up, super compact. An Amazon must-have laundry accessory. This is an Amazon must-have pet accessory. Just throw these sticky little pads right in the washer and all the dog hair and lint from clothes comes right off and sticks to the pads. Just rinse clean with water and they are reusable. Available today and linked below. Don't you hate when your bed sheets get loose and come off your mattress? This bed scrunchie is an amazing laundry hack. Just attach the clips to the edge of your bed sheets and slide it under your mattress and tighten the buckle and you will have tight, crisp sheets. It works on any size sheets and either fitted or flat sheets, linked below. And this bed tucker allows you to make your bed without having to lift the mattress. Amazon laundry must-haves, linked below in my description. This is the best laundry hack. This is a cup claw that allows you to add removable cup pads back into your sports bras, bathing suits, nursing bras, or any top that has removable pads that always seem to come out in the washing machine. Just wrap the pad around the claw, insert the claw back inside the bra and release, and it instantly adds the cup back in place. An Amazon laundry must-have and linked below. This is an iron and steamer that doesn't leak and doesn't require an ironing board. It has 6 fabric settings and it steams and irons your clothes so easy. It's like a hair straightener for your clothes. This is an Amazon laundry must-have and has a pointed tip that is great to reach hard to reach areas like pockets and collars. It's compact, a laundry hack, great for travel, but also great for home. Linked below in my description. This is another laundry hack that's so sleek you hardly notice it. It's super affordable and available on Amazon today. This laundry clothesline can go anywhere in your home. It's great if you have a small laundry room. Linked below in my description. This mini washing machine is the coolest laundry accessory. It comes in so many colors and requires no electricity. You can wash a 5-pound load in just a couple of minutes. Just spin it around and it makes doing laundry so easy and so quick. This is great if your apartment doesn't have a washing machine or compact for a dorm room. It weighs less than 6 pounds. It is portable, great for camping trips. Linked below. Okay, and if you have electricity, this is definitely a laundry hack. It naturally has a sterilization process, so it's great for doing a small load of laundry like underwear or socks. It folds up so compact, it's amazing. I linked the machine below. Amazon laundry must-haves. If you don't have space for a laundry basket, this collapsible laundry basket opens up with an 82-liter capacity and can hold a ton of laundry. It's super compact, great for travel or if you have to do laundry outside of your house. It's waterproof on the inside. It has a soft handle, so it's easy to carry. Linked below in my description. That was fast. But here is some more Jolly Goodies to watch. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a deal.